Good day, guys. Welcome to another episode of Wake Us Up in the Hood. I am your host, Marshall. Today, I would just like to, apologize because I made a commitment to say that I'm going to load a video every day. However, we have run into some technical difficulties which has now delayed and hinders the workflow, the process. I also do photography and videography, for weddings, ceremonies, etc. So I have been prioritizing that kind of work, and I am also prioritizing members only content. But for general viewers, um, please, I would ask for you to have a little more patience. I apologize for the inconvenience, but as soon as my PC is sorted, then we will be able to drop some more episodes on a regular basis. But currently, as you can see, I'm operating with these two PCs, which both, doesn't meet the necessary standard for us to edit, full HD, high resolution videos, you know. These particular two PCs don't have the necessary what you call it specifications. More specifically, it doesn't have graphic cards in. It's using onboard graphics, and thus it's rendering, encoding. It's very slow. It has enough RAM, enough space. Quite processor i5, and the other one is a i7. But as I said, it doesn't have a graphics card in thus we are sitting with the problem whereby the PC doesn't meet the requirements to upload or render, should I say, the videos fast enough as it needs to. And then I used my PC, which does have a graphics card. Unfortunately, the power supply in these PCs do not meet the requirements to support the graphics card. So we are sitting with these technical challenges, which is now preventing us from dropping episodes daily. We do have the content to do so. Specifically, we also want to say thank you for your patience to those communities whose stories we have not yet dropped, whose challenges has not yet seen the light of day. It's by us sharing the stories that each community experience. It's how we see how we are connected and how we are being marginalized and abused, because of where we come from and who we are. And it's only when we unite and stand together is when we are able to overcome our oppressors. But as I said, again, the idea is to drop an episode daily. But as you can see, we are having technical difficulties. I am now recording this with my cell phone, which I prefer not to do. But unfortunately, there's nothing else I can do at the moment until I can get the issue with the PC resolved. So if you are able to sponsor us, with PC parts, may it be graphics cards or power supplies or even a whole PC, if you feel so generous, to sponsor us with a new PC that does have a graphics card in, and if you feel like you are one of our subscribers who value the type of content that we bring and you want us to do more of the work that we do, please, if it's within your capacity, we will highly appreciate any type of support. And also, if it is that uh, um, that you are able to, buy some of our merch, I thought maybe for you not to feel like you're gonna give us money for nothing, I was thinking of making a personalized t-shirt, personalized cup, and maybe ask you a little more than we would usually sell it for, uh, so that you are able to donate to us and we are able to give something back to you, right? So it will seem like a bit overpriced for the item, but the idea is you are buying the merch so that you can help us support us financially to enable us to buy the necessary equipment so that we can continue the work that we do. So without any further ado, thank you for your support. Please like, share, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed and you do find value in the work that we do. This has been Marshall for Wake Us Up in the Hood, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.